Okay, everybody, the markets have just opened. You can see that for our copycat members, this is the first trade of the week. I am about to close this trade out right in front of you. 3 standards right here, and let's close it out. I was trying to see if it drops down to 40, 30, 39. There we go. I'm going to close it. Right here. Let's take that win. 40 pips. You see it right there. 40 pips. 40. All right, copycat members, congratulations. You just opened your week up with 40 fresh pips on this trade. I had given you guys a trade breakdown and told you guys earlier in the earlier video that I was expecting the market to do a pullback. I walked you through every step of this trade. I told you exactly what I was looking at. In fact, you can go back in and see that I was in this trade when I did my Sunday breakdown video, clearly showing that it was in there from Friday, and we had our gap down like I told you guys I was expecting. So we did get a huge gap down over the weekend in line with what my anticipation was following this trend. I told you it was at the death cross right here. I walked you guys through it, and that was the trade. So nobody can say, oh, that was a scam. Check your charts. At the time of this recording, it is 4/12/2026 at 6:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The market just opened and it gapped down. If you keep your eye here, you can see that the market is moving. You can see it right here live. And so therefore, I just want to take this quick recording to show proof of what we do for our copycat members, so that if you decide to join the copycat team, meaning we trade, you just get copied on our trades, you'll know what to expect. So let me show you the website, and then we'll be done and waiting for the next video. So here's our website, www.super, E as in echo, Z as in zebra, copycat.com. And if you want to see what the software looks like, all you have to do is scroll down and you'll play a little video right here, real quick video. You'll see this is the trading software. And if you were in my copycat group, you would have seen that, hey, I just took this trade. You would have been able to watch it on your charts right here and clearly see a winning trade right here for 40 pips right here, because this software will copy whatever trade I'm taking or my team is taking onto your MT4 or MT5. So there we go. All right, there we go. Now, one other thing for those who are having trouble finding a broker with an MT5, one of the things you can do that I've done, because like I used Holoprime and other companies that use like DX Trade or something stupid like that I don't like, but nevertheless it's okay. So what I did was I used a connector called Traders Connect, and I connected my copier from DX Trade to a demo account on the MT5 with a broker, just anybody, MT4, MT5, CoinX, or any one of the trading companies, Plexi Trade or whatever, it doesn't matter. I open a demo account with them, attach the two together, so then my copier goes onto my MT4 or MT5 from the demo account, but through Traders Connect, I connect those two accounts together. Therefore, whatever trades come from us, it goes to your demo account on your MT4 or MT5, and then from there it copies onto your DX feed or your Trade Locker or whatever else through Traders Connect. And let me take you guys to that website. So this is Traders Connect right here, guys. So again, you can, and they're dirt cheap. It's like $10 per account. So as you can see, you can match trader, Trade Locker, DX Trade, all of those things. So I would open up a MT4 or MT5 demo account and then attach my broker who's using DX Feed or either Trade Locker to this here, and therefore when the trade comes in on this MT4 or on this MT5, it automatically copies onto these, and therefore I can still use a copier for a prop firm. So Holoprime is the one that I use, but a lot of people are asking me what's a good place to find information. You can always start with propfirmmatch.com and go from there. But as you can see, you can connect all this stuff together. So it's pretty nice. You're typically going to have 2 accounts anyway. So therefore, $10 per account, so you have your demo account and then your prop firm account, and that's just $20. So it's pretty cheap. Like I said, nothing major. really affordable for anybody. So you can make one trade and pay that $20 a month. All right. So that's the way I connect mines. But if there's other options, you can look for them. But that's how I do it. Okay. So anyway, you just missed out on a 40 pip trade, but there will be more trades coming out this week. Thanks.